guys, it's Jenny and welcome to my channel. Life has become super boring since the time of this pandemic. Literally people are just sleeping, eating, working. The theme of this video would be more of a home decor haul. So I'm gonna present the products which I got it from Amazon as well as Flipkart. Before that I have a few disclaimers. There will be a voice modulation going up and down. Please do bear with me throughout this video. It would be a video of 10 minutes. As you know, Amazon used to sell the products on all different days. So I shooted the video on all particular days and collated it all and presented it to you. So let's get started. This one is just ooh la la. Just because of the design, as you can see. It's a very big floor rug. As you can see, multicolored, and the cost of this rug was close to 800 rupees. And this just gives a very boho kind of look. I love going for it. Coming to its quality part, it looks like it's going to be lasting for longer, quite durable, because from the time I have been reusing it, I didn't see even the single piece of it coming out. So the good part is that it's been vacuum packed and it looks very thin from outside. Let's check it out. I'm just trying to unwrap it. Wow, see. That was so immediate. It just got inflated the moment I opened it up. Wow, it's very soft and bouncy. So these are the 5 set of cushions. Considering its price, I feel it's worthy to buy because it's very soft and you can sleep on it. So the cost of it was close to $7.99. Yeah. I have is this small little cushion. 10 by 10 inches, I guess. Yes, it's very soft. Again, it's vacuum packed. You have a cute little vibrant red pillow cover along with this, with a very soft material, fabric kind of, and with a cute little message. You can give this to your loved ones. I got this for 299 rupees from Flipkart. Oh, with a predefined message, cute little greeting. See. So this is the final look of the pillow. Very cute now. It's very soft and very vibrant meanwhile. Just close your eyes and go for it without giving any second thought. Yes. Next I have is this lamp stand. I got this for 1,650. As you can see, the quality is really very good. The good quality of wood has been used and the springs to connect it all. And there's an adjustable knob as well. You can adjust the height based on the requirement. So this is an off-white shade cover. You will have a bulb included with the package. It was all in a different pack. You have to get it all assembled, and this is how it looks. It just brings a very elegant look to your room. Next I have is this foldable stool. So it is made of mango wood, and it's very hard and tough. I'll just show you how to get it assembled. So I'm just lifting it up and that's it. So I got this for $390 I guess, and I'm not sure. The product price is now showing as $250. I'm not sure why this the Amazon sellers or Flipkart keeps on changing the price of the products based on the season. But yeah, this is a very beautiful side table. When you are actually looking for a home decor or the room decor, then this is a perfect one. And yeah, it's very easy to keep it aside when not required. The dream cashier, which I got it for like 199 rupees. Because of the detailing color, which is like yellow and blue, which looks more of a contrast, so is the reason I went for it. Another one. So this one I got it today. Wow, that's really amazing. Lord Gautam Buddha design work is actually very beautiful with the wooden frame. It's a quite big frame, as you can see, 12 inches, and I love keeping the statues of Buddhas as well as the frames. It gives so much of positivity as that of the dream catcher. And also with great respect, we would like to share some of the quotes shared by him. Is do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, just concentrate the mind on the present moment. Mind is everything what you think you become, and no one saves us but you yourself and ourselves. I'm gonna use this IV grip tape in order to paste Lord Buddha. The cost of this tape was close to 289 rupees, which I found it fine because since it's a double-sided adhesive tape, transparent and strong, and there are so many features which have been mentioned. I found it in Instagram, which costed around, the price tag was showing somewhere close to 450, which I found it very expensive as I found it in Flipkart and Amazon. Next I have this Tide buttons. It's a battery operated. I'm going to use this dual cell batteries. So it's again USB powered as well, and it says it's 5 meter in length. We're gonna check how it looks. It looks very compact, small package. Let's see this. I got this for 230 rupees. Wow. So there are two modes. One is flickering and one is stable. Let's see how it looks because it's very flashy. Flora. So I got this from Exotic Flora, the set of 4 planters, and this one as well, in additional to it. This was close to 1,250, and the packaging was very well done. You can see the water balls were already placed so that it doesn't get dehydrated. Considering its price, I find it really worthy because it has literally enhanced the beauty of this balcony. Next we have this set of 5 pots with the plates, and the cost of this was $325. Based on the product, it's really good, and I'm just trying to drill some holes and we'll just check how it looks before. So I'm gonna use this screwdriver to drill this. So we are done. There you can see I have used this adhesive tape for sticking this wind chime.
this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I was literally waiting for longer time to come up with this video. Since it's a very beautiful day, so I shooted this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and then it's me signing off for now. Bye now.
When you call me señorita, I wish it wasn't so damn hard to leave your